I think some of the biggest challenges that leaders face today is that they're almost too agreeable. So they're willing to say yes to a lot of things, but they don't actually really understand what that means in terms of changing their own behavior, changing the decisions that they make, and changing how they allocate resources to fully align to what they've agreed to. I sit in a lot of boardrooms and in a lot of C-suite meetings where people are nodding their heads and they're saying, yeah, that's a great idea. Love that idea. Yes, we should make twice as much revenue as we're making today, or we should definitely go into China, right? Or whatever it might be. But at the same time, they walk out the door and they continue to make the same decisions and make the same resource allocations that they've been making for the last 10 years. So they're in full agreement that yes, something is a great idea, but they haven't really taken the time to figure out how do they get in alignment with that? How do they actually change who they are, the decisions that they make, and how they allocate their resources in a way that supports what they've agreed to?